John here. Let's do something that I probably should have noticed before. If you have a print bed that's not big enough to hold the full 8-segment LED, you could print one segment at a time, but I'm sitting here looking at it right now and thinking to myself, you could probably also print the 4 on the top and the 3 on the bottom in single passes. So let's refactor how I do the front and the back here. Let's do a module front 7 top and a front 7 bottom. The idea being that if you want the entire thing, the front will simply call the top module and the bottom module, and you'll end up with the entire thing, but the top guy will print the top segments only in like a square, and the bottom will print like a U-shaped thing for the bottom 3. So which one of these are on the top? I would declare this is the centerpiece. Let's go ahead and render this and see what's going on. So there's the whole thing. It would be nice. See which one that is, right? That's the middle one. This guy here is positive X. So this is going to be the top part. Right, okay. So these two guys are part of the top. Let me delete them from up there. Paste them down here. Save. Now, what are we going to do? We want to say that we know that's part of the bottom. We got negative X and positive in the Y direction. Therefore, this is going to be something that belongs on the top. Which one is that? If you don't know, put a marker on there. That's the left guy. Yeah, that's good. What's this one? That goes negative X and negative in the Y. So this here is part of the bottom. This goes positive X and positive Y, so that's probably the upper right corner. Down here. And this must be negative Y, that's part of the bottom. So it should still all be rendered because the front guy here calls both of those new functions. So we're backward compatible. But if I change this to front 7 top like so, I just get this piece. We can print that out. Maybe that's, like I said, might take up the entire print bed on your printer. It would for me if I made it, if I made it huge. The idea being if you want to print something bigger than your print bed has room for, do it like this. So then I can print that, and then when I put it all together, I just simply set the 2 pieces side by side, which is going to be a lot easier than setting all 7 pieces side by side. Ultimately, when you print your project out, so we'll do the same thing to the bottom, and you'll be done. This is nice. This is just better factored code, more useful for everybody, especially those of us that want to make really big ones and don't have a bed big enough to do so.